Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 routers offer three main reset methods to optimize performance: restart, reboot, and factory reset. A restart is a soft reset that temporarily pauses the router's operations without erasing settings. This clears temporary memory to fix minor glitches like slow speeds. It takes 1 to 2 minutes with no data loss and can be done via the Power button or My Spectrum app. A reboot fully shuts down and restarts the router, refreshing the system to resolve issues like IP conflicts or overheating. Unplug the router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This takes 2 to 5 minutes with no data loss. A factory reset restores the router to original manufacturer settings, erasing all custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds or use the My Spectrum app. This takes 5 to 10 minutes, but results in complete data loss, so back up Wi-Fi details first. For the factory reset, locate the reset button on the back of the router. It's usually a small pinhole that you press and hold for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. For a reboot, simply unplug the router from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This power cycle refreshes the system effectively. These reset methods are essential for maintaining your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router's performance, especially when dealing with overheating or connectivity issues. A restart is ideal for daily maintenance or after firmware updates to fix minor issues like slow speeds. Use a reboot for persistent connectivity problems or following power outages to refresh the entire system. Save factory reset for severe cases like security breaches or selling the router, as it's a last resort that erases all settings. For physical resets, locate the router's back panel. For restart, press the power button briefly. For reboot, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. For factory reset, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until lights flash. Perform remote resets using the My Spectrum app on iOS or Android to avoid physical access. This is especially useful for busy households with many devices. For Wi-Fi 6 routers, resets optimize mu-MIMO for higher speeds per user and OFDMA for efficient low-bandwidth tasks, handling multiple devices better. Check LED indicators before resetting. Solid blue means connected. Flashing red indicates errors. Note that older devices pre-2018 may have compatibility issues after a reset.